Hello, today we will guide you through how to create GIF animations for Behance. To begin, open Behance and go to your profile by clicking the profile icon in the upper right area of the screen. This is where you can access your personal workspace and start preparing a new project. Once you're on your profile page, scroll until you find the option labeled Create a Project. This is the section you'll use to upload and present your work, including animated visuals like GIFs. After locating that area on Behance, switch over to Canva. This is where you'll prepare the animation before uploading it. In Canva, open the design you want to turn into a GIF. If your design has multiple pages, the animation will feel much smoother if you add transitions between them. So, click on the option to add transitions, then apply the transition to all pages. This helps create a more polished movement from one page to the next, which is especially useful when your work is being viewed as a looping animation. Once your transitions are in place, move to the top area of Canva and click Share. From there, locate the download option. This is where you'll choose the file format for your animation. Scroll through the available file types until you find GIF, then select it. Choosing GIF is important here because it allows the animation to play automatically in a format that works well for visual presentation. After downloading the GIF from Canva, return to Behance to place it into your project. In the project editor, click on Image. Even though you're uploading an animated file, this is the option used to insert it into the project layout. When the file browser opens, choose the GIF file you just downloaded. Once the upload finishes, your animated visual should appear inside the Behance project editor. This is a good moment to quickly review how it displays and make sure the motion looks the way you expect. If needed, you can always go back to Canva, adjust the transitions, and export the GIF again for a better result. And that's the process for creating GIF animations for Behance. Start your project in Behance, build and export the animation in Canva, then upload the GIF back into your Behance project. With a simple workflow like this, you can make your portfolio feel more dynamic and engaging for viewers.